Message.
Okay, so if you can
Message.
explain to me how,
Uh,
if you can explain to me,
we could go way back.
if you
You
can
hear me?
explain to me how can a man
Let
of
me let
Chad
me let me get
exist?
that off so y'all can understand, man. There's a lot of arguments about nothing. There's a lot of arguments about nothing. But I like that brother there, that brother that gave y'all some knowledge. But there's a lot of arguments about nothing. Look clearly. You don't have to listen to nobody talk. That is not us. They say they came from that and they supposed to be this. This is the original picture or how they supposed to evolve, right? Okay, no hair. See, no hair. But why are they still hairy? Because obviously all this shit is a lie. So they don't want to be from the I am. They hate the I am. Why are we still arguing about people that hate themselves?